Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a cracking crafting weekend. Guys, today, that is the freebie. It's a page designed from one of this month's VIP Lounge membership. If you guys are new to me, the VIP Lounge is a subscription I offer on my website where each month you get 3 paper packs, a letter gift box, and a cheeky discount code, 30% discount code across everything on my website. So this page has been designed from the Autumn in the Field. But before we crack on, let me show you this month's VIP papers. Okay guys, so this is probably one of my favorite months of the VIP subscription for this year for different reasons, because I think this month you get quite a lot of your money. So the first digital paper is called Christmas Background, and then it's this one here. So I have created, and I'm going to do a videos the next couple of weeks showcasing how to use this. So this is a collection of Christmas styles. As you can see, they measure, can tell you, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 roughly. So they should be squares. And the idea, the concept behind these papers is to make Christmas cards. Okay, so they're very similar, but each one of the square is different. Okay, and I'll show you how to make Christmas cards out of them, because they're so cute and they're very, very easy to make. So Christmas Background, the pack number 2, which is, I've got a similar version for everybody to purchase on my website. It's called Painted Flowers, and the ideas around this digital papers, it's basically, as the title says, painted flowers. So the color palette is the same, so I'll show you in just a minute. So if I put the pages like this, so you can see all the 4 pages, the background matches. So there's a bit of turquoise, a bit of green, and a bit of pink. Okay, so this is one page, this another one, number 3, and number 4. So they look like painted portrait, and this is a fabulous background. You can either use it as a wrapping paper, because I absolutely adore floral papers. The papers number 3, it's called Autumn in the Field. So this is your autumnal pages. So you get one page that looks like a page for your journal. You just simply need to fussy cut it. You get a page with an envelope, a scallop envelope, and 2 size envelopes. You get some journal pockets and tags. So you get 2 square tags with a crown and 2 on the bottom there. And then you got a really nice tag and a couple of flags that you can either put, like, you can either make hidden paper clips. And then the last page, which is my favorite one, it's 4 gorgeous tags. I absolutely love these tags. So this paper complement what I've got on the website for everybody else to use, but I love these tags. I hope you guys will like them too. So that's the 3 paper packs. So you get Autumn in the Field, I got any on the bottom, Painted Flowers, and Christmas Background. It's not over yet, because for this month I'm giving it as a complimentary gift a small selection, and it's called Christmas Extravaganza. Yeah, so it's a complimentary paper packs that you can use to do anything that you want. This page here, it's with the nativity, so you can literally leave it as it is and frame it if you want, or you can fussy cut each element to create your own nativity scene. The second page is 2 backgrounds, with one with a gingerbread house and one with a track with a Christmas gift. Now this you can fold in half and create your journal, or you can cut them and use them as cards bases, or you can either do like a gift box or gift bags. It's completely up to you. And then another page with another track with a tree and loads of presents, and then a lovely deer. Oh, look at him, he's so cute, so cute. And then, as you guys know, each month you get a letter gift box. So this month is letter G. So you get an assembly instruction page, a page with the actual letter, which is this one here, that you print on cardstock. So that's the front. And then you get a G, the G for the back. And then, because I didn't want to waste the page, so I designed this background. So let me tell you the story behind this. A lovely Christine Skinner. Christine is a member of a VIP lounge subscription, has requested for the letter G to be the unicorn, because her granddaughter is called Georgia, so she's going to put a letter G for her, because I've asked every month if my VIP members have any request from the letter. So the letter G is for Christine, so I've designed this unicorn's background. So for the letter G is with a turquoise, and then just a spare page here, and also they get an additional page with the full unicorn background on white. So yeah, this month you get loads and loads for your money. So just to recap, you get full background, a letter G gift box, the assembly. There is also a private video that I have filmed that only my VIP members get, to show you how to put it together. And when you put it together, it looks like this. So this is the letter G. It looks complicated, but honestly guys, it's very easy to put it together, because you get this sort of like sheet, and then you got a private video. So let me get you all the letters that we've done so far. So we got letter A. I've got all in here. Let me show you one by one. A, and then we got B. We got C somewhere. Oh, that's it. That's the letter C. We got letter D. We got letter E with a graffiti. I know you guys love this. It's one of my favorite as well. Letter F. And now letter G. So as you can see, each gift box is very different, because I want to create an alphabet of very different letters and with different color scheme and such. So yeah, fabulous, very fun. Guys, in case you're new to me, how you get the freebies, two ways. One way is on my newsletter, which I put the emails here. My newsletter is an email that I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, and there is always an attachment, which will be the freebie. You get a recap of the videos of the week, the papers of the week, and also a cheeky discount code for you guys to use and treat yourself. Now, if you wish to find out more about my VIP lounge, let me show you in more details where to find it on my website. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomex.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, the second way to get my freebie is simply join my Facebook group, because by the time you watch this video, my newsletter email will already be sent out, so you missed this week. But you can find all my freebies, about 300, put all together on my Facebook group. All the links will be listed in the info box. So join my Facebook group, you'll be able to download all the freebies. Hey guys, before we go, big shout out to the lovely Naira. Naira is a member of my VIP lounge. She's been subscribed for a very long time, a couple of years. So thank you so much, Naira, for trusting me to bring crafty goodness to you every month. Guys, if you like my freebies, consider it big thumbs up, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And also, you telling YouTube how much you like what I do, and you know, it's really, really appreciated. Guys, I will see you on Monday for another fabulous video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.